Sounds pretty amazing, doesn't it? Sadly, obviously that wasn't me driving up the hill here at Goodwood and the Festival of Speed 2021. That was Marina Franchitti, who is the test driver for Singer. But we thought it was worth bringing it to you. And this is the first time that we've seen the two sort of, I suppose, customer-ready cars. That is the very first customer car just over there. So we've got two commissions here. This is the Oxford Commission, so this is an oak green metallic, and the car over there is Unico, and that is in absinthe green with a blood orange interior. That's a slightly more lightweight spec car. This has got the bone leather interior, so you can see that covering in this beautiful satin carbon fibre. For those of you that aren't sort of, completely familiar with the DLS, which stands for Dynamics and Lightweighting Study, this is just, well, the ultimate expression of an air-cooled 911. So the materials are wonderful, all carbon fibre body, the magnesium gearbox and magnesium centre lock wheels we've got on it. The engine at the back, so it was done in consultation with Hans Metzger, so it's got a 4-valve head, a 4-litre naturally aspirated flat 6. The intakes you can see in the rear 3/4 there, just this amazing airbox on top. And it's putting out 500 brake horsepower. The lightweighting part, so this is just 990 kilos. It's extraordinary. And I think the thing that you can't get over, you can talk about things like the fact it's got double wishbone front suspension, obviously like the latest GT3 from Porsche. You can talk about the lightweight and all the sort of the bits on it, but just the quality in here is extraordinary. The finish is immaculate. You can, down to this sort of this beautifully designed, this is not an off-the-shelf Momo wheel, it's like the Prototipo wheel, obviously, but it's all carbon in here with then leather around the outside. These Recaro buckets, again, designed specifically for this car. I love this gear lever. So you can see it's carbon in here, but then just in here, you've got balsa wood running through the middle, harking back to the gear lever in a Porsche 917. It's just fabulous. The rev counter in there, which is extraordinary. It's the first time I've sat in one of these, and you can see why they're going to cost 1.8 million. Sadly, I'm never going to afford one, but hopefully at some point I will get to drive one. Till that point, well, you can all just enjoy watching that run up the hill with Marino one more time. Go and listen to it again.